All right, what's going on, friends? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to clean either your concrete sidewalks or a concrete driveway. My neighbor has a concrete driveway that I'm going to clean for him. I'm going to use this surface cleaner that I got, a 15-inch surface cleaner. And if you like this, I'll have this down in the description. It does come with, you have to have a pressure washer. It doesn't come with that, but it comes with this wand here and this wand if you want to extend it longer. I'm going to use it with my electric pressure washer, which is just a little over 2,000 psi, which it says that's about the minimum that you need to have to run this. And I'm going to try this Honda pressure washer, which is 2,800 psi, so it's really close to 3,000 psi with the gas one. And then I think I'm even going to try some of this just to see if like this 30-second cleaner will help a little bit with a little bit less pressure. So I did take this and I put in 1 gallon of water to a half a gallon of 30-second cleaner. So it's like about a 1 to 2 mix. All right, first I'm going to try, I already have it all hooked up to my electric one, so I'm going to try that and I'll show you. I already did run a couple swipes here on my sidewalk and I did it without the 30-second cleaner. So I'm going to get this wet up here, maybe a couple blocks ahead of me, and I'll spray that with the 30-second cleaner, and then I'll try 2 of them without the 30-second cleaner, see if it makes it any different. Also, if you do use this 30-second cleaner, really, I think it's mainly just bleach. You could actually just go probably buy some bleach and it's really close to the same thing. If anybody out there knows any different, but I'll put some of this, all this stuff down in the description, along with my pump sprayer and my electric pressure washer. So let me spray these down and then I'll get to cleaning. And I'd be careful spraying this stuff. You don't get it on any good clothes unless you want your clothes tie-dyed. I wouldn't walk on it and then go walk on your carpet in your house either. These sidewalks are pretty dirty. Now right up against my house, I'm probably going to have to just take this surface cleaner off and do the regular pressure washer one. I'm going to do 1 swipe and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to just go halfway onto the swipe I just did. All right, so far you can see that it seems to be working really well, and I've only spent like probably all of 10 minutes doing the cleaning. Now it took me a little time to get it all hooked up, and it's taken me longer because I got my camera to move around. But so I could probably go over this another time or another couple swipes and it'll look even better. But it looks like it's definitely working with this electric pressure washer. So if you want to go a little cheaper and buy an electric pressure washer because you don't use a pressure washer that much, it's definitely a little cheaper option for some homeowners. I think that's been probably soaking over there for at least close to 10 minutes with that 30-second cleaner. So let me clean that up and see if it does anything, makes it a little easier, like I said with this electric pressure washer. And then after I get some of this sidewalk done, we'll hook up this gas one and I'll try that. All right, I don't know if the 30-second cleaner really helped that much. I don't know, you let me know. If you think it helps some, put it down in the comments. But now I still do have some little green spots here on my sidewalk. And I think it's just because my pressure washer only has the 2,000 psi, which is a little bit over that, has pretty much the minimum for that surface cleaner. Now, if you work on this for a little longer, you probably could get those green spots off. But I'd have to say looks way better than it did in the beginning. You can still see some dirty spots up here. I'll show you. You can still see, you can see right here, right there next to my steps, how bad that sidewalk was right here next to them. And there's that spot down there that I cleaned up. This looks nice and white now. All right, I'm gonna finish cleaning up this little bit of my sidewalk, and then we will head over to my neighbor's driveway and try that gas-powered pressure washer. Now this is what it looks like under this surface cleaner. This thing just spins really fast. And it's got a nozzle here and a nozzle there, so it keeps you from getting all those. If you've ever tried using your pressure washer without something like this, you'd have lines all over the place, and it looks awful. This keeps all them lines off of your driveway, your concrete driveway, or like your concrete sidewalk. Let me know what you think of the driveway. Does it look a lot nicer? I'm sure my neighbor likes it. Hit that thumbs up button if you like this video. Hit that subscribe button to help support my channel. God bless and have a great day.
Come here, Millie.
Oh, Millie. Hi.
Millie.